The Ajju Sindolli has been looting the people of Goa for the past 15-20 years. He has looted at least hundreds of people, but about 30-35 cases have been registered against him in all the courts of Goa. He also has cases in Faridabad where he has been convicted and sentenced to 1 year jail and 1 crore fine. He also has cases in Sawantwadi. He also has cases in complaints in Gujarat. Mine is around 76. Someone else is 61. Someone else is 31. Some in Faridabad is 70. And like that, his amounts run into crores. And he does not cheat only rich people. He has cheated even barbers from thieving. He says this is my plot of land, which is not his plot of land, and he has sold that same plot to about 6, 7, 8 different people. And then he says, "Mere paas mine hai, mere paas dump hai," and he has nothing. And that is how he is cheating people.
Sindolli has got about 20 or 30 cases pending against him, mostly check bouncing cases, but some are more serious criminal offences of fraud and cheating. Yeah, he's dragging these cases out for years, and as you know, the legal system in Goa and in India, it's not the most efficient. But he's exploiting every weakness that he can find, and he knows the legal system inside out. A good con artist has to know how to exploit the legal system, and he knows exactly what to do.